What's up, y'all? It's your girl Starr, and I'm back once again, guys, with another video. So today, this video is connected with the other two videos that will be coming before this. So this is basically the step-by-step video, and you guys, I'm actually gonna put this in the link down below. You guys could paste it, copy and paste it, or write it down if y'all got time. And yes, so the first thing you guys saw me use in the video was rose scrub. Step 1 of rose scrub. You want to wet your hands. You want to wet your hands and face with water. Number 2, apply the rose scrub. Step 3, rub in a circular motion for 10 minutes. Yeah, it seems long, but it's worth it. Step 3, after 10 minutes is over, wash your face with warm water. And step 5, which is the last one, is get a towel and dab your face till it is dry. And I said dab, I didn't see a boom boom boom. I said dab like this. And yes, number 2, no, sorry, let me talk about number 2. Now when you're doing your lime, step 1, get your lime and cut it in half. Number 2, apply 1/2 of lime in your face in a circular motion. Step 3, get warm water and rinse your face. And step 4 is the same thing I did for step 5 of the rose scrub, is damp your face with a towel until dry. And for the last but not least, for the moisture or for the moisturizer or the serums, I actually apply this will only be for if you guys are using the serum, you guys would apply 4 drops. But if you guys don't apply a lot because you already moisturize your face with the rose scrub, because that has a lot of moisture in it already itself. So for my serum, I apply 4 drops, one in the middle, one on my right cheek, and one on my left. One on my right cheek, one on my left cheek, and one in the middle of my head, and then I apply one right here. And then you want to rub it in a circular motion again, and that is the end of how I added it, guys. This took me a little while to come up with, but we get it work out. So all of this I will actually copy and paste it, and then when I'm finished, I will actually post this on Instagram, where you guys, I just put it on here. Wait a minute. That's all of the steps, dear. So all of the steps together is 1, 2, 12. These are 12 steps in all, with all of these products put together. These are 12 steps that you do, guys. This is worth it. It really is worth it, because look at my face. It really is worth it. And then the next video I'll do is me explaining what the lime does, because I did not really explain it about the lime part properly as I should, and I need to explain things you should not do and all of that stuff. Although it was in the other video, I didn't think that I got deep in detail with it, so we will do that in the next video. If you guys see me in the same outfit for the next 4 videos, that's because when I'm right, so I will explain it more in deep detail. So if you guys see me wearing in 4 videos, y'all see me wearing the same shirt, guys. I am just doing 4 videos today. Reason why, because I'm starting school on Monday, which is tomorrow. While I'm filming this video, it will be I will actually post this video on, let's see, this one of the videos I'm post today, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday. So y'all are going to see this last video on Wednesday, and the next video y'all will probably see on Thursday. And guys, don't worry, I am studying on my work. I'm actually doing all of these videos on Sunday, so I do not have to do them, and I will have some time. All of these will be put in my schedule, so I would have time to study and do my homework, focus on school. All of this is things that I'm thinking about. So guys, you heard it first here. So I'm gonna be getting in deep detail about the lime. in the next video after this. So I love you guys so much. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this one. Love you guys.